Johan, come in. What's new? I'm glad that you could drop by.
Yes. Okay, I'm from school. I enrolled.
Oh, nice.
Yes. My mom gave me enough money to enroll to the in this semester. That's why I'm able to enroll. And
How, how much year are you
actually, it's my it's my fifth year in college because you know I have no money and I cannot enroll. And I cannot
now?
finish. That's why I need to work extra time to have extra income.
Okay.
That's
At
why,
least
but
you have,
yeah,
at least you have today, you have enrolled.
yeah.
Mm. Oh, uh, what, what kind of job do you do?
So,
Yeah. What's in that face? There's something bothering
oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. I mean, no, it's not just a extracurricular job, but can enough money.
you? Aside from the allowance or money, is there anything else that you have concerned?
I'm
Sometimes
okay.
I feel it because sometimes if you want to do something, sometimes it's out of budget. I think I'm glad that you by this moment you have enrolled for this semester. So from what year are you
Um, I'm on fifth year, but
now? Regular?
no, I'm a regular student.
Oh, uh, that's good that you continually updating your course.
Yeah.
Are your grades doing good?
No, but
Because
because
the subjects are very hard.
yeah. And then, but just like I said earlier, I have no money. Sometimes I need to work, then go to school. So most of the time I have no time to go to school. So you know, because of that, my grades are affected. That's why this is my fifth year now.
Sometimes
And
don't worry about it. Uh, maybe someday when your schedule will be okay, then your grades will be okay. And thank you for your time to visit us today. And that's it. Oh, hi, Chan.
oh,
I'm glad that you dropped by.
uh,
What have you seen?
I went to my province.
Oh, where's your
Yeah,
province?
it's located in Ilagan, Isabela.
That's far.
Yes, that's far. That's 12 hours away from here in Manila, in Pasig. Yes, that's a lot of travel, but it's
That's a
okay.
pain in the butt.
It's actually a pain in the butt. All right.
That's too far. 12 hours drive.
Yes.
Uh, that's great that you're back in here in Manila.
Mm-hmm.
So, What's great in your vacation lately?
No, actually, you know my story that I do live here in Manila alone. I have no family here beside of my family in the church, of course. Um, but it's really a good feeling when you come back home with them.
Ooh.
Yeah. So yeah, we do a lot of activities there.
I'm glad that you reunited with your family this last vacation.
Yeah.
Is the weather okay in your place?
Yeah. It's actually there's a time of course it's hot. That's normal. And there's a time of it's raining, something like that, and it's cold. But the weather there is a lot better than here because here it's super hot. While there's a lot of trees, of course, and the air is not totally polluted, something like that. So it's the air is really cool.
That's good. Because your staying in your place is really makes you energized
Yes,
again.
yes,
And welcome to the pollution again.
yeah. I'm ready right now. No, yeah.
Yeah. And what's your what, what what's your favorite event when you're staying with your family?
Well, um, uh, just like what I said earlier, we do a lot of activities, and one of my favorite is when we go swimming. Yeah, because I cannot describe well what's the. I cannot remember the place though. What's the name of the place? But it's actually a nice place for me because it's my first time going to a swimming. Like you are in a bridge, and then yeah, there's a bridge there. Then that's actually a river. So there's a lot of people there, cottages, and the temperature of water is the normal temperature of a river, something like that. So we do a lot of um, we spend a lot of time there. So that's actually my first time, you know, doing that kind of activity. Uh, yeah, I think that's it.
That's refreshing from the hot
Yes.
uh, climate that we have.
Mhm.
So welcome again to the Manila.
Or
At least you have done safe when you're going.
yes, yes, yes.
Thank you for your time.
All right. Thank you so much.